Hey, what's up everybody? Ben here from blogwithben.com, and today I'm unboxing and setting up the Raycon Everyday Earbuds and their everyday protective case. And these earbuds are known for their sleek design and impressive sound quality and all-day comfort, making them a popular choice for music lovers, podcasters, and anyone who's on the go. So in this video, we'll take a closer look at them and see what they're all about. And real quick, before we get started, if you get any value out of this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Helps me bring you more resources, and it keeps you up to date with all the AI, web, and tech trends happening throughout the year. But either way, thank you so much for all your support. All right, with that being said, let's unbox these earbuds and see what they can do. So as always, I want to thank Raycon for sending me these earbuds and protective case. I'm brand new to this brand, so I was excited to see how they compared to my other earbuds. And with that being said, let's unbox the everyday earbuds first. So out of the box, we have the user manual, and it comes in this little envelope. And there's actually a lot of great information in here, like the touch settings to control the volume and whatnot. And we'll go over all of that in just a bit, but I highly recommend going through this user manual if this is your first time using the Raycon earbuds. Next, the Raycon earbuds and charging capsule are nestled securely in this foam cutout, and keep in mind that there's this little pull tab within the case, and pulling it reveals the charging cable and extra gel tips for the earbuds, which we'll check out in just a bit, but I just wanted to let you know that there's more in this box than just the earbuds and charging capsule. And speaking of that, I went with the color green, but Raycon offers additional colors to match your vibe, style, or brand, and I can already tell it has a premium feel. The matte green finish looks stylish and feels great in my hands. Now, this charging capsule holds the earbuds and charges them, obviously. You get a 32-hour battery life with a full charge, and that's where this USB-C port comes into play. And then opening the charging capsule, we'll take a closer look at the earbuds, which sit snugly in their designated slots, held securely by magnets. And each earbud is marked with L and R for easy identification. And there's a small LED indicator light that monitors the battery life. And green is a fully charged battery. Then let's take one of these out of the case. And they feel super lightweight. The gel tip looks well made and comfortable. And you may see this little red and blue flashing light. It's trying to pair with a device, so when it does pair, it will be a solid blue color, just FYI. Additionally, these have a built-in microphone for making phone calls. They're weather resistant, withstanding rain, snow, or even your sweat during workouts, and they pair with Bluetooth devices such as iPhones and Android devices, which I'll show you in just a few moments. But overall, these look and feel great. Next, let's see what else is in the box. So remember that pull tab. When you give it a tug, it reveals two additional boxes that contain the charging cable and additional gel tips. So let's go ahead and unbox the cable first. And once we get it out of the bag, this is a USB-C to USB-A cable. And again, this is what you'll use to charge your earbuds. But please keep in mind that if you want to charge this to a Mac or something that isn't compatible with the USB-A cable, you will have to use a USB-C to USB-C cable or just use an adapter. But either way, this cable is what comes with the earbuds. Okay, the next box contains the additional gel tips for the earbuds. And every ear is different, obviously. So Raycon decided to make 6 differently sized gel tips to fit pretty much any ear size. Plus, if you lose one, you have a few backups just in case. And they're pretty easy to swap and replace. Gently pull the gel tip off of the earbud like so, and then grab a replacement from the case and attach the new gel tip by placing it on that little tip there, and it should fit snugly around the earbud and stay in place. Now you can get your perfect fit for wearing them out and about. And speaking of that, let me show you how to wear them. So one really cool feature of the Raycon Everyday Earbuds is their touch feature. As you can see here on the quick start guide, they list all the different touch functions for the earbuds. A dot is a single touch, and the line is a longer touch, almost a quick hold. And all you'll do is tap the logo on either the left, right, or both earbuds at the same time to perform various functions like turning the volume up or down, taking a call, pausing what you're listening to, etc. And let me show you how that works. So once you find the perfect gel tip, simply place the earbud in your ear like so, and it should fit comfortably and stay in place. The same goes for the other ear. Once it's in, I can barely feel them, and they aren't bulky or sticking out, which is nice, and it has a really comfortable snug fit. And then the touch feature looks something like this. You'll give it one tap on the Raycon logo, and this is on my right ear, and that will turn the volume up. And then tapping both earbuds twice at the same time will pause and then play what I'm listening to. Also, when you put them in, there will be a voice guide telling you the pairing status. And if we take a look at my iPhone's Bluetooth settings, it automatically recognizes the new Raycon earbuds, and all I have to do is select them, and we are now paired. Next, let me show you how these earbuds held up whenever I took them out for a run.
Okay, so I wanted to take the everyday earbuds out on the field, so to speak, so I went on a run. As you can see, I'm wearing them right now. And one thing I will say is, not only are they comfortable, a lot of earbuds that I wear, whenever I wear them with a beanie or even on a run, this will push up against my ear and make the earbud uncomfortable. Not with these, they just rest easily inside the ear canal. And even if I wear a beanie or something over it, if it's cold, they're super comfortable. I can't even feel them, can't even tell that they're in there. Also, the sound quality is great. I do have it set to where I can hear background noise, so I can hear cars around me if I need to cross the street. But I could still hear the music that I'm playing in here very well. Again, super comfortable, and they held up pretty well. So I'm gonna go finish my run, and you can check out the rest of the video.
All right, next let's unbox the Everyday Protective Case. And I had a little helper here, if you didn't notice. Kiki just loves the spotlight, so she decided to be my assistant for this part of the video. Okay, so this case, which is an additional cost, just FYI, it doesn't come with the earbuds. These will run about $16, I believe, but the protective cases are a great way to protect your charging capsule and earbuds. Plus, Raycon offers a variety of styles. I went with the blue water case, and I love the way it looks. It adds a unique look and feel for sure. And we get a top and bottom piece, as well as a little cord that attaches to the case. And all you'll do is slide each piece onto the charging capsule like so. Gives it a nice and snug fit. Looks great too. And then that little cord goes in the little holes on the side. So I probably should have done this first because you'll need to thread it through the holes when the case is empty. And it took a little effort, I'm not gonna lie. I had to twist it to make it fit in those holes and loop it through the other end to secure it to the case like so. Then we'll reattach the top and bottom protective pieces, and now my earbuds have a stylish extra layer of protection from wear and tear. Okay, next let's quickly go over how to charge the capsule. So if you recall, the charging cable that came with the earbuds is a USB-C to USB-A cable. So first you'll plug the USB-C side into the USB-C port on the back of the capsule. Then the USB-A side will go into whatever you're using to charge it. However, I'm using my MacBook Pro, so I had to use an adapter since I don't have USB-A ports on my laptop. But you can use any USB-C to USB-C cable instead if you don't have USB-A ports. It will still charge the capsule. Also, as it's charging, the LED indicator light will slowly blink, and when it's green, that means you're fully charged. Alright, so all in all, I was really impressed with the Raycon Everyday Earbuds and protective case. Even though they were given to me, I would definitely buy these and will more than likely buy some of Raycon's other styles. And speaking of that, you can get 20% off by using my link, which I'll put in the video description below, and that will take you to Raycon's website where you can check out all they have to offer, as well as get a pair of your own for only $64. So once again, I'm a huge fan of Raycon, and I have no problem recommending them to you guys. So go get a pair and hear the difference for yourself.
So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking to start a blog, check out these two videos on how to build, grow, and monetize a WordPress blog. They'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.